Hey everyone, welcome back to Road Zone Reviews, your go-to channel for the latest mind-blowing tech updates. Today, we're diving into something absolutely insane, the Tesla Bot Gen 5 and its jaw-dropping capabilities. We're talking cooking full meals, doing laundry, and outperforming even the most advanced China robots. If you thought AI and robotics were still science fiction, think again. What you're about to see is a real-life humanoid robot that could soon be in your home. Yeah, we're talking Elon Musk level tech, and trust me, this isn't just hype. Would you let a robot cook your dinner perfectly while you just relax? You won't believe what Gen 5 can do. Tesla Bot Gen 5 vs China Bot, the ultimate showdown? Let's set the stage for one of the most fascinating tech battles of our time. On one side, we have the Tesla Bot Gen 5, Elon Musk's latest humanoid robot engineered to assist humans with a wide range of everyday tasks. On the other side, there are the most advanced Chinese humanoid robots, which have been making waves in robotics news for years. So who comes out on top in this ultimate showdown? Well, the answer isn't as simple as speed or strength. It's about precision, intelligence, adaptability, and versatility. And in these areas, the Tesla Bot Gen 5 has a clear edge. Elon Musk has confirmed that Optimus Gen 5 is the largest and most premium mass-production humanoid robot ever created. Previous versions like Gen 3 and Gen 4 were already impressive feats of engineering, but Gen 5 represents a quantum leap in capability. We're talking about a robot that can perform millions of operations, handle thousands of different tasks, and even train itself virtually before interacting with the real world. This isn't just incremental improvement, it's a complete redesign that pushes the limits of what humanoid robots can do. Now, here's where it gets truly mind-blowing. Gen 5 can cook a full meal in just 2 hours. That's right, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Whether it's cracking eggs, flipping pancakes, or even preparing a multi-course meal, the robot can handle it seamlessly. While the Tesla Bot is mastering full kitchen operations, Chinese humanoid robots are still struggling with basic household movements, such as folding laundry or even picking up fragile objects without damaging them. This is where Tesla's focus on dexterity, AI vision, and robotic coordination clearly sets it apart. Who would win in a real-world robot showdown, Tesla Gen 5 or China's top bots? You'll be shocked by the results. But cooking isn't the only superpower of Gen 5. It can also tackle laundry, cleaning, and a wide variety of household chores, from vacuuming floors to tidying up rooms. Elon Musk has even hinted that the robot can give a massage, showing the level of human-like precision these machines are approaching. Imagine a personal assistant that never complains, never gets tired, and can multitask endlessly, something no human housekeeper could ever match. One of the key differences between Gen 5 and competing bots is the integration of self-learning AI. Tesla's robot can observe human movements, watch tutorials, and refine its actions until they are near perfect. For example, it can watch a video of someone folding clothes or cooking a recipe, then replicate the process with remarkable accuracy. This is not just automation, it's adaptive intelligence, something Chinese bots are still years away from achieving at scale. Another critical advantage is mass production readiness. While many competing robots are still prototypes or limited-run models, Gen 5 is designed to be produced in millions of units, meaning that this technology could realistically enter households worldwide. In short, it's not just a robot, it's a revolutionary household companion that's redefining what we expect from AI and robotics. So, when it comes to the ultimate showdown between Tesla Bot Gen 5 and Chinese humanoid robots, the winner isn't even close. Precision, dexterity, intelligence, and adaptability give Gen 5 a decisive edge. And with its cooking, cleaning, and multitasking capabilities, it's already reshaping the way we think about robots in our daily lives. This robot can train itself virtually billions of times before even touching the real world. Imagine that level of intelligence. Cooking and laundry like a human, Gen 5 in action. Now it's time to dive into the part that really blows your mind: the actual tasks Tesla Bot Gen 5 can perform at home. Cooking and laundry may sound simple to us humans, but for a robot, these are extremely complex challenges. It's not just about moving arms or pressing buttons. A robot has to combine coordination, perception, dexterity, and real-time problem-solving simultaneously. And Tesla's Gen 5 does it with remarkable precision. Take cooking, for example. It's easy to underestimate how many steps are involved in preparing even a simple meal. The robot must open the fridge, identify the correct ingredients, pick up fragile items like eggs without breaking them, operate cooking equipment safely, control stove temperatures, and time each step perfectly. Every small action must be coordinated in real time, and there's zero room for error. Tesla Bot Gen 5 doesn't just hold an egg gently like the earlier Gen 3. It can crack the egg, place it in the pan, cook it evenly, and serve it as part of a complete meal. Elon Musk revealed that Tesla's engineering team trained Gen 5 in billions of virtual simulations, allowing the robot to practice every step over and over in a virtual environment before executing it flawlessly in the real world. This level of preparation is what enables Gen 5 to achieve a 2-hour full meal cooking capability, something that was previously thought impossible for a humanoid robot. Could a robot replace your housekeeper? You'll be surprised what Gen 5 can actually do at home. And cooking is only part of the story. Let's talk about laundry, which is arguably even trickier. Doing laundry involves multiple precise steps that require judgment, strength, and dexterity. Optimus Gen 5 must sort clothes accurately by color, fabric type, and dirt level to prevent mistakes like color bleeding. Handle delicate fabrics carefully, ensuring nothing is torn or dropped. Measure detergent and softener correctly, adjusting for the load size. Move wet and heavy clothes from washer to dryer or hang them on a line while maintaining balance and avoiding spills. Fold and store clothes, adapting to the unique shape, softness, and type of each garment. These tasks may seem simple for humans, but they require a combination of strength, precision, and decision-making that most robots cannot manage. What sets Gen 5 apart is its ability to watch video tutorials and learn new techniques, refining its actions with near-perfect accuracy. The robot can observe how to fold a shirt, prepare a delicate recipe, or even handle complex kitchen utensils, then replicate it in real life without supervision. The impact for families is huge. Imagine saving hours of tedious work every week, all while knowing that every task, from breakfast to laundry, is being done efficiently and correctly. Tesla Bot Gen 5 can work for up to 15 hours on a single charge, meaning it could handle a full day's worth of chores, giving humans more time to relax, focus on creative projects, or spend quality time with their loved ones. In short, the Tesla Bot Gen 5 isn't just a futuristic gadget. It's a revolution in home automation, capable of performing tasks that many humans consider mundane but time-consuming, all with precision, reliability, and intelligence far beyond any household robot currently on the market. Imagine coming home after a long day to a freshly cooked meal and folded laundry all done by a robot. Too good to be true, think again. How Tesla Bot could change our homes and jobs. Okay, so now that Gen 5 can cook and do laundry, let's talk what this means for humans. First, yes, it could replace housekeepers, cooks, and other repetitive jobs. But Elon Musk frames this as a positive. Working will become optional, allowing humans to focus on creative and meaningful tasks. Think about it, a robot can handle dangerous, boring, or repetitive tasks, while humans pursue hobbies, entrepreneurship, or skills that AI cannot replace. But that's not all. Optimus is designed to self-learn, meaning every robot can improve continuously, making it even more efficient over time. And for businesses, Imagine hundreds of robots in factories, hotels, or hospitals, performing tasks with superhuman precision. It's not about replacing humans entirely, it's about supercharging productivity and safety. This isn't just a robot, it's a personal assistant that can learn and get smarter every single day. The future of robotics, healthcare, mass production, and Elon Musk's vision. Now that we've seen Gen 5 handle cooking and laundry with near-perfect precision, let's explore what this means for human life. Yes, it's true, robots like Optimus Gen 5 could replace housekeepers, cooks, and other repetitive roles. But Elon Musk frames this as a positive shift, not a threat. By automating tedious chores, humans can finally focus on creative, meaningful, and high-impact activities that AI cannot replicate. Imagine a world where the boring, repetitive, and even dangerous tasks are handled entirely by robots. Whether it's vacuuming floors, lifting heavy objects, or managing routine industrial operations, Tesla Bot can take over. This opens doors for humans to pursue hobbies, entrepreneurial ventures, advanced education, or innovative projects without worrying about mundane daily chores. Essentially, working becomes optional and life can become more enjoyable and productive. Optimus Gen 5 is also self-learning. Each robot constantly improves, mastering tasks more efficiently over time. That means your robot today is already impressive, but it will become smarter and faster tomorrow. The implications for businesses are massive. Factories, hotels, hospitals, and other institutions could deploy hundreds or thousands of robots, performing tasks with superhuman precision while reducing human error and safety risks. Could robots like Gen 5 actually make working optional? The future is closer than you think. But here's the key. Tesla Bot isn't about replacing humans entirely. Instead, it's about enhancing human capabilities, letting us focus on work that requires ingenuity, empathy, and creativity. As automation rises, new industries and job opportunities also emerge, from AI programming to robotics, maintenance, oversight, and security. In other words, robots like Gen 5 could transform work itself, turning repetitive labor into a thing of the past while enabling humans to pursue more ambitious goals. In short, Tesla Bot Gen 5 could fundamentally redefine our homes, workplaces, and even lifestyles, freeing people from mundane chores while reshaping the economy and human potential. So, what do you think? Would you trust a Tesla Bot Gen 5 to cook your dinner or do your laundry? Or does the idea of a humanoid robot make you nervous? One thing is for sure, Elon Musk and Tesla are pushing the boundaries of robotics like no other company on Earth. The Gen 5 bot isn't just a product, it's a technological revolution, and it's coming faster than we imagined. Which feature of Gen 5 excites or worries you the most? Your answer might surprise you. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing tech updates, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Which Tesla bot feature excites you the most or worries you the most? We want to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.